What's up YouTube? I got a new toy today. Replacing my old craftsman jack with this. Pittsburgh 3-ton, low profile of course. I don't have a low profile car, but for the future. They're on sale for $79. Usually they come on sale all the time, so I haven't seen it gone lower than 75. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Here we have it. Take this off. Here's the paperwork. Alright, there it is. So I'm just taking off the cover to show you guys. This is actually the hydraulic fluid fill up pump screw. This is where you take off to fill it up. Coming from the box, you don't really need to do anything at all. I just opened it up to show you guys. And when you put the bar in, loosen this so the bar can go all the way down. Once you have it dropped, tighten it. That way when you pull up the bar doesn't come out. And when you rotate it, you can see it rotating. You turn it to the right and that's how you tighten it. There goes the jack. Turn it to the left and it goes down. That's all. I'm gonna go test it out on my CRV and see I'm under the CRV right now. CRV is actually pretty high from the factory. I don't know how much, probably 7 or 8 inches. So let's see. Well, I'm actually sitting down and doing it. So much easy compared to my old craftsman. There we are, off the ground. Works like a champ. Alright, let's drop it. Slowly turn to the left. And there we go. This thing is sweet. Alright guys, there we have it. Definitely recommend one of these. My friends have these too, so it's about time I got one.